Hi guys, let's make this milk burfi in 10 minutes for our gully food truck, and guess what, we are giving away this to our lovely customer and it is for free. So please do visit our gully food truck, you'll get a little surprise every week. So first I'm taking this pan, add a little bit of ghee, 2 cups of milk powder, so I'm making 3 batches of it. Add 2 cups of full cream milk in a medium heat. Keep stirring it. It's best if you use the whisker, or you can use spatula, whatever. Make sure there is no lumps in it. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Keep whisking it, or keep stirring it, whatever you want to call it. And once it's thick like this, add condensed milk, or you can simply replace with the sugar if you don't have condensed milk. Keep mixing it, and look, it is now thick enough. Turn the heat off, then transfer that into a baking tray. Here I have just got baking tray, baking paper, and just grease the paper with a ghee and simply pour that. Sprinkle some pistachio on the top, press it with a spatula, and let it rest for about 2 hours, and then you can simply enjoy it. It is super delicious, super easy to make, and I hope our lovely customers will enjoy this. Okay, bye.